Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check MAC address for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. And we have two options how to check it. We can use an application, or we can find this information at the charging case, and for the charging case I will show it to you later. On iOS, you can use HUAWEI AI Life application or HUAWEI Connect application. I will tell you how to find this information at the HUAWEI Connect also, so don't worry about it. On Android you have only HUAWEI AI Life, but maybe they also add HUAWEI Connect application. Not now, I checked it, only HUAWEI AI Life for Android. So open the app. If in the AI Life, click at your headphones at the device list, and then you need to click at the three dots at the right top. Click at the device settings and go to the device information. Right here at the third line we have device MAC address, so you can check it here. Now let's return to the main headphones menu. If you use HUAWEI Connect, it will open for you already this menu. And you need to scroll down and click at the About at the right bottom. I have settings, but you will have About. Click on it, and at the bottom you'll find serial number. Above serial number you will see device MAC address, and you can check it. Now let's move to the charging case. So right here at the left side we have also this information. Let me zoom it for you, and I hope you will see it. Okay, so right here you will find the text MAC, what mean MAC address, and MAC address number. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!